Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion push spin. Knowing how to do an accordion already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a push spin already would be really helpful. Links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them if you need to go back and have a look. Jumping in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard accordion. We're going semicircle back. We're offering the left hand towards the lady, thumb down. As we come in, the lady's picking that hand up. We lead the lady in a return direction over to the right as the guys head over left. So we're looking through the arches of the right arms. Then we take the lady through the other side of the accordion using the left hand. Right goes over and low. Guys are heading right, ladies are heading over to the other side. And now we're looking at each other over under the loop of the left arms. So now we're going to the other side again, but this time as we go round, we're going to go flat, palm to palm for the guy's right hand, lady's right hand, and we're going to the other hand go down low. We're building up pressure. We're using both hands to lead the spin, release, lady goes round, catching left to right, or right to right, depending on what you're going to do next, lower and back, and we are all good to go. So let's do that from the other side and we'll talk numbers. Semicircle back and offer 1, return 2 and look 3, turn 4 and look 5, return 6 and flat prep 7, spin 8, catch 1, return 2 and back 3. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, accordion push spin. We go offer, return, look, turn, look, return, flat, spin, catch, return and back. And remember, when we're leading the spin, you're leading it in a circular motion, not a just push-pull motion. And that's it. I hope you find that useful and fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. So yeah, seriously, thank you. And notifications, if you've got them turned on when you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation is on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.